How to fix Prizepicks document upload cancelled. So over here by the Prizepicks themselves has mentioned this problem. So my lineup was cancelled but not by me. So basically what happened, so if you did not cancel your lineup yourself, it may have been cancelled by Prizepicks themselves for any of the following reasons. Ineligible due to the DNPS. So if DNPS or reboots cause your lineup to only have one picking remaining or cause your lineup to have only players from the same team, your lineup will be cancelled and refunded. So just go ahead and avoid this and you should be able to fix your problem. Other than that, if you have a board error, on rare occasions, a projection may be mistakenly left on board after the game has started. This is classified as a board error and you will cause your lineup to become ineligible. Lineups that include this type of board error will be cancelled and the entry fee will be refunded though. For partial game projections such as a second half or a fourth quarter, this rule applies if the projection remains on the board past the intended start time. In addition to some reasons above, Prizepicks has the right to cancel any active lineup at any time at their sole discretion. So other than that, make sure you are actually verified and you finish every other sort of verification and prompts. But as long as you avoid these errors and ineligibilities, you should be able to follow up with your lineup without it getting cancelled anymore. But anyways, hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.